Okay, so if you are new to SNHU, this is where we do all of our coursework. This is Brightspace. Um, Sorry, you might hear my son in the background. Anyway, that's part of, I guess, online student life when you're also a parent. But anyway, this is Brightspace. I'm going to go ahead and click on a course that I'm going to be organizing myself for. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the syllabus, which is here. You'll notice module 1 through 8 corresponds with week 1 through 8. So module 1, you'll be doing week 1, module 2, week 2, so on and so forth. I'm going to go to my syllabus, and this is pretty much what I'm going to be working from right now for getting myself set up for success. Um, all the courses follow the same type of template, so yours won't look exactly like this, but it's going to be very similar where it has the same layout and everything. I'm going to go ahead and open up this folder where I keep all of my coursework stuff in. I have all my archive courses in here as well. These are my current courses here. These are the ones for next term, so I've already kind of started setting them up. I'll go ahead and create a new folder here, call it whatever I want, name it the class, GRA 310. And then I'm going to go through and make a folder for each graded assignment. I'm not going to make folders for anything else except the graded stuff. And so you'll just do new folder, whatever this is. And I'll go over here. Oh my gosh, I'm a hot mess. Hold on. Let me get this optimized for you guys for a second here. Because okay. All right. All right. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So this is going to be a graded thing. So I'm just going to copy that, put it in here. So I already have one. But just kind of showing you, I'll just go back over here, copy, folder, B, I already have a folder named this, so I'm not going to go through this, but you get the idea. Only the things that are graded. If it says non-graded, I'm not making a folder for it because you just don't need it. So anyway, you'll have your file structure set up, and then within each one, like if there's just a discussion or maybe I have to write a paper, I'll go ahead and click into it and create a document for it. So you can just do new, create a document, and I'll just write reply. Oops, reply. And the reason I do that is so that it's already ready to go because later when I go into OneNote, I'm actually going to link those documents to my notebook. And the reason for that is because later in Notebook, you can use search notebooks for whatever you want, like Control F. If I'm trying to remember where I saw how to use a certain tool in Adobe Illustrator, then I can maybe search that tool here and it'll come up with all my notes and documents that I've compiled into this notebook, which is really nice. Um, and then when I'm working on projects, this doesn't really matter unless you're graphic design, I guess, but you could probably have a similar um, file structure. But I already have my assets, design progress, production, and resources. If you're not graphic design, maybe this would look like, I don't know, working folder and then another folder called submissions. I don't know, whatever works for whatever field you're going into. Um, and so I'll just go ahead and set those up for everything. Again, if there's like a paper that I'm going to have to write, I'll create a Word document for that and probably another folder for like resources if I have to, but that way I can link it all to my OneNote.